Ani bojo kinawe, she kinidoma kushkijo quindigo quindodem. My English name is Gloria. Family name Oshkabe Saints McGregor. This is a message to 2020 Kenjige Wintec graduates. A message of congratulations on your great achievements and your accomplishments. This message is a celebration that I feel too, that you've made it through what you needed to make through to get to where you are today, standing where you are today, being acknowledged by that diploma that you're receiving today. This is a recognition of your achievements, a recognition to some of the struggles you may have went through this time to get where you are. And especially your struggles this year, what the people are going through at this time with the sickness, traveling through. You had to endure a little bit more. You had to pull up a little bit more endurance and strength within yourself to make it through. A little bit more incentive from within yourself to push yourself through a little bit more to achieve what you needed to achieve. Congratulations also to your families, to your communities. When you achieve something, first you celebrate it within yourself. Celebrate what you gifted yourself with. And also too, to celebrate for your family and for your communities. Because what you have achieved today, everyone will benefit. This is the reciprocal giving. When you achieve your accomplishments academically and you walk forth in your life, in the jobs this is going to take you, further your career, further your path in life, independence. This is a reciprocal place because it takes you to work with other people. This is the giving back of what you've accomplished today. This may be the gift that you're walking forth that Creator gave you, and to help people, help yourself. So I'll say congratulations again to all your achievements, all your struggles. It made you a better person, made you stronger. It gave you an idea. It gave you a thought. It gives you a different identity, a different sense of your being. So congratulations again to 2020 graduates of Kenjige Wintec. And also Thanksgiving to all your instructors, your teachers, your helpers, your support workers, whoever they may be, that stood beside you. So walk forth now with your gifts that you have. Do the best you can throughout your life, as you have those tools. You made it this far. And I celebrate the fact, also to hearing that you graduated. I can't explain how it makes me feel, how the sense of feeling that I have when I hear people achieving. And it tells me how reciprocal we are of other people's happiness and how we give back to that. So congratulations again. Walk forth in your life. Be happy. Pick up your tools. Be the best person that you could ever be. Nahau, Bama, take care.
Ani Bonjour, Beverly Roy Dishnikas. On behalf of Kenjige Wintec's board, faculty, and team members, I am pleased to offer a congratulatory and heartfelt and genuine message to all of our 2020 graduates. Without a doubt, the year 2020 has been extraordinary. But it's also extraordinary because you have demonstrated commitment to yourself, to your future, and to your path forward. We are so honored to have been a small part of your journey in this educational path that you have chosen. Remember to keep in touch with us going forward. You are now Kenchko-Wentag alumni, and you will always be part of our Kenchko-Wentag family. Miigwech, Wamapi, Minwa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Erin Pelche from Wikwemikong First Nation, and I'd just like to say congratulations to all of you on your graduation day. Congratulations to Kat, Lindsay, Serge, Stephanie, Dolores, and Rachel. It's an honor to have been asked to say a few words on this special day. I just like to say I'm so proud of you on all your hard work and dedication, and I'm so happy that you chose to have a career in the health field, and I'm so honored to have you as my colleague. Your role is a vital role in our healthcare industry, providing comfort and care to our most vulnerable population, which is our elderly, our disabled, and our most ill patients. It takes a special person with special gifts and qualities in order to do this job. To name a few qualities that you possess, I would imagine you possess empathy and integrity, patience, and honor. Those few qualities come to my mind right away. So I just want you to take all those qualities with you every time you walk in the door, wherever you may work, and continue doing the great job that you're doing. And I'm so honored to say congratulations. Continue with your hard work. You are essential. You always will be. And miigwech.
Ani, Menagoj Gijagat Nungwa. Jason Pelche Dijnakas, Business Services Manager, Wabatek Business Development Corporation. Just wanted to send a couple of words of encouragement for you graduates. Amanda, for you, Amanda, Curtis, Jacinta, and Mackenzie. It took a lot of hard work to reach this goal. You've had to show up every day, whether you felt like it or not. I hope you feel great about what you've accomplished, and I hope you'll continue to be a person who shows up day in and day out for those things that are worthwhile and important in life. So for today, take some pics, celebrate, take it easy for a little while thereafter, then get ready to take on the world. So congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure. Miigwech. Bama.
ja. She came this in the class. Ik weet je didn't never get in one gis to ek man there's school we went. Come on me could have been nim in one where again one ga jek ske so ek non go. Man the piece na gok game in a school with him. Get ne kid one study game in an you in the man go me also. Get the game in a ga na the mag ja. Get hier he school we on pa. Me just man the basic. Gavin unishna vega kitta. Nishin. Start the ha. Come on, me quenemy. Gawin we kabun passioke. Bama. Nishin. Nishin aguk. Start the ha. Mina start the ha. Nishin aguk. Come on, me quenemy. Those are some of the words that was shared to me when I was going to school a long time ago by somebody, and they helped me through life. I'm very proud of yous that finished school this year in this troubled year. Thank you for sticking it out, and best of luck to all of you. And these are the words that were shared. Good, better, and best never take a rest until good becomes better and better is best. Hi, hi, Iwich.
Ani, bonjour. Mark Chibo Dijnakas. Jikining First Nation Donjaba, Gigon Dodem. As the Dean of Pathways, it's my great honor to say congratulations to all of our Pathways graduates. Of course, I wish I could shake your hands and personally provide you with your diplomas and certificates. But being unable to do that today does not diminish in the happiness the Pathways team of instructors, facilitators, and counselors share with you today. It has been an honor to be with you on this leg of your journey. Chimigwech for sharing your gifts with us. Today we celebrate 6 students who completed their secondary school careers and have earned their Ontario Secondary School Diploma. We also honor the first 7 students who have completed the entire 750 hours of Anishinaabe Oddsman learning opportunities that make up the Shigari Mikan program. We celebrate your strength, your perseverance, your spirit, your integrity, and your dedication to completing these programs. And we want you to know that you will forever be members of the Kenjikwinteg communities, and no matter where the next leg of your journey takes you, you take the learning you have engaged in with you and carry some of our energy as well. On behalf of Pathways team in the secondary programs, as well as all of the Shigari Mikan team, I say congratulations and wish you all the best. Pama.
Ani, hello everybody, Josh Ishkagan. Dishnakas. Shiki Azun lang den done. The Nishnabed Noswin. Keep an ishin do them. I just want to say congratulations to all the graduates for 2020. Well job, well done. I'd like to say chimiwech to all the staff and of Kenjikwinteg and all the staff from the universities and all the teachers and all the instructors that took place in your journey. So I'm going to be doing a short prayer for you to go on our journey. And it's all about the 7 directions, acknowledging those directions for those teachings. So here we go. Miigwech Cheshemnido, Miigwech Kenigego, Mwanswin, Yamishin, Chimiigwech Shego, Kenigego, Kenamadwin. Thank you, Creator, for the life you've given me. Thank you, Creator, for the teachings you provided to me. Chimiigwech Kenishkakamakwe, for all your teachings and all your love, and let us walk upon you. I say Chimiigwech to you, my spirit, my Chichok, for the gift that you provide to the other people. I say Chimiigwech to you, those 4 directions, Wabnong, Jaunong, Epishimo, Giwednong, for all the teachings, Kinomadwin, Yawatumuyan, all those teachings you provided to us. So I'm really honored and truly happy for every one of you that graduates. And I acknowledge you for your accomplishments, and I say, happy graduation. You did it. Here you go, 2020 graduates. Woohoo!